Let's go ahead and go over one more time how to add docAppender to a form. This is the form that your students will use to peer review other people's projects. And you can see that right here, whose project did you review is left blank. That's because docAppender is going to put those options in for you based on the names that are in this KB meme folder. So add-ons, and we'll open the sidebar. And again, we need to pick the folder that has all the student papers in it. And you seem to always have to refresh the list before the question shows up. And there they go. The names of every student who's got a paper in that folder is automatically put in there. And we'll take the timestamp and those questions, and then remember you have to tell it what format you would like it in. Let's go with that one. So now that that's been done, we can fill out the form. And the students hopefully will have a rubric that you gave them. And once they have submitted that, we can go back. And if we look at Kevin's paper, we should have the review right there that was done by another student. It tells them what student reviewed it and what grade they got on that. So that's a really nice tool to help you organize feedback for your students. Then if we go back to our project tools folder and we look at this project home sheet that we created. When I created this the first time, only this person had opened up their document, but I know that somebody else has added one since. So you open up the add-on menu again and choose Doctopus. So let's look for new submissions. And there it is. It's got Kevin Bailey's paper. He opened up finally. And the reason that we've got this page, so we can go in right from here and we can look at the things that Kevin has done. So if we want to assess the document, if you want to use the rubric that you attached, you would just click that. And it's going to open up the rubric that you created and put in part 1. And you can go to the form and check that out and see what he got. You could have that open in a different tab. You could say it was right here. You could go look at their assignment and then come back to the rubric. So the organization, we'll give them a 3, and then if you can't remember, you can go back and look at it. And let's see, for paragraph construction, that one wasn't very good. A lot of information, and then give them a 3. and then we submit that. You could also have it email the scores to Kevin. So now if we go back to Kevin's paper, you can see the peer review that was there, but you can also see the score that I gave them. So let's just sum this up and take one more look at the tools that we've got. In Classroom, you created an assignment called KB Meme, and Google Classroom created a folder for you. And in that folder are pieces of paper given out to all the students. And you can see their names a little bit better here. So these are the only 2 students in the class. And then inside of that project folder that was created by Google Classroom, I created a folder, and the teacher should do this, that has everything you're going to need for them to do this. You've got a Google Doc that is the original of all the papers that are going to get handed out to the students. You've got a project home sheet, and that's what is going to be used by Goobric and Doctopus to collect all of the students' assignments right here and allow you to grade them from right here. You've got the forms that are going to be used for peer review and for turning in various steps of the project. And you've got the rubric that is going to be used to grade the project as well.